Introducing the Simple Pot from Campania International. Today we're going to show you the 2 easiest self-watering techniques for your new indoor planters. First, you will need a length of cotton wick, a screwdriver, and your plant still in its grow pot. For technique number 1, hold the cotton wick at both ends and place the center along the whole bottom of the Simple Pot. Drape the ends of the wick over the top of the pot like shown, then place your plant over the cord in the Simple Pot. After your plant is placed, tuck the ends of the wick into the plant and push them as close to the stem as possible. The second technique provides a longer-term self-watering solution. Position one end of the wick into a hole at the bottom of the grow pot, and using a screwdriver, push the wick up through the soil, stopping just below the top. Repeat this step with the other end of the wick. Place the plant into the Simple Pot . Be sure to add water to the basin using the side cup. And enjoy your self-watering planters.